Today we are going to discuss or read about our approach chapter lesson 6. Music helps plants grow. What? Music helps plants to grow. There is a question, one question in your mind it is arised that, sir, how plants or trees respond to music? Yes. If they have ears, no. Plants and trees have no ears. Even they have no ears, but they also respond to music. Just like we, the human beings, whenever we come to our home after hard working day-to-day life, we need music to entertainment of ourselves. Just kind that tree also need music to entertainment of themselves. In this condition, it is most need music for every, as it is human beings or plants, etc. Today we are going to vastly discuss about music helps plants to grow. What? Music helps to plants to grow. Take an example, my dear students. Suppose you are going in a marriage function. When you are going in a marriage function, the high-pitched DJ sounds are available there. It means automatically your limbs, it means hand or your legs comes out to dance. It means you are excited to dance in that function. Means that music also excited to you, and that music also suits to your mind that you have to dance because of entertainment. The just kind of that music also suits to plants or trees. Here some scientists also experimented about this kind of methods, like music also helps to plants to grow, entertainment, and they also relax of themselves. Now come to most of the scientists are also experimented about this, how the music acted towards the plants, responded towards the plants or trees, how they grow through the entertainment of their musics. Here, Les Harrison, who, my child, Les Harrison, a sound engineer from New York, USA, has also developed a theory. What? Music. Music theory, Les Harrison also developed about it. That how the plants or trees developed by the soothing music or by the humming musics. Humming music means what, my child? Humming sound means some high-pitched sounds, like your coil. Coil's sound is so sweet, but it is high-pitched. It is its sound also known as, or coil's voice is known as high-pitched voice. Like that kind of voice, he carried out of an experiment that he has taken 2 banana trees. What? 2 banana trees, and he also planted banana trees far from each other, and he also give water, food, manure, heat, equal light, equal manner to both of the banana trees, and take care of both of the banana trees. But what he had done? Now one thing that only one banana tree is near, he started high-pitched musical sounds, humming sounds. In one banana plants, he started high-pitched musical sounds. What? Musical sounds. Then he regularly doing like this, and that sounds also available only for 1 hour daily. Then after 1 month, he concluded that, and he experimented that if equal heat, equal food, equal manure, equal water, equal sunlight given both of the plant, how the one plant, banana plant, is grower 70% than the other. What's the reason? There was a question arised, let's ask him smile. Then he concluded that this kind of humming sounds also responded to plants and trees also, because at last he concluded that plants and trees have some special cells like breathing cells. Okay, student, now we also hear about some more examples, like some more scientists who has also experimented about this kind of music helps plants to grow. Now come Lynn and Joy Reid. They also reacted about this experiment of plants and trees, that they also said some special like musics that trees and plants also respond. What kind of that music? Some classical music. Classical type of musics also trees and plants respond themselves. How? Now it means some classical music, if it available near banana plants, it by the classical music of a banana plants listening, the cells like breathing cells open for a long time. By the opening for a long time of breathing cells, it gets more nutrient from the atmosphere or from the surrounding or air. Then if it get more protein, more nutrients from the air, its cells also developed and it is stimulated to growth more and more. In this way, the banana trees, which is also growing more and more, that helps also growing more and more than the 70% of the first banana trees. Whenever he compared both of these banana trees, then one is as usual developed or as usual growing, but another banana trees also growing a lot. Means it became thick and it also high developed. So at last the scientists also concluded that actually plants and trees also respond to music, just kind of classical music. As human beings respond to music towards high pitched music like DJ music, classical music, western music, that kind of all the plants or trees also responded to the music. So now what's the students? Our matter is here that music helps to the plant. What? Music helps to the plant. There are some difficult words or main words like stimulate. It means stimulate means some kind of excitement. What? Some kind of excitement. And suthe. Suthe means what, student? It's keep quiet. It gives response towards someone, that is known as suthe. So music soothes the plants. What? Music soothes the plants and trees. So here our moral thoughts is what? As human beings like music and of its own like, just kind of trees and plants also responds of their own musics, liking musics, especially classical musics. What, student? Classical musics. This is our topics of today's. Music helps plants to grow, and your homework, that has you also read of this lesson perfectly, then by heart of your difficult words. Okay, thank you, my child.